Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact game build. This feature only triggers on the patched client, so update now. Once done, make a complete backup of your save and config folders. This prevents data loss if something breaks. Next, enable debug or logging mode. Either toggle it in-game or add debug equals 1 to a debug. Inai in the game root. This reveals hidden prompts and timing windows you'll need for the sequence that follows. You continue by loading a fresh save so prior event flags don't interfere. This ensures predictable state. Then, listen closely to NPC dialogue and pick the repeatable look option 3 times in quick succession. Timing matters because it sets the internal flag. Once you reach the brief black screen, type the exact string with capitalization spelled out. I am God. Make sure to press enter immediately. Delays or typos will reset the hidden flag and force you to repeat the earlier steps. You finish by letting the altered cutscene play without skipping. Pressing keys can cancel the flag and abort the outcome. If nothing happens, reload from your backup and repeat the sequence, slightly adjusting the timing between the 3 look selections and the typing window. Minor delays are often the culprit. Also, examine the debug log, debug, txt or log folder. If you see a flag set entry, you succeeded. If not, the log will show where the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.